Hello, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. We are going on a journey to tune in with and connect with the highest self of our true love. Whether you are in a relationship and just seeking to deepen your connection, or single and looking forward to the day when you meet, this guided meditation is the perfect way to tune in with the energy of your beloved's higher self and forge a beautiful connection and understanding. So take a big, deep breath as you settle into this sacred space. In through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Deeper and deeper into this present moment, here and now. Every breath you take, simply allowing all the thoughts in your head to simply fade away. And as you continue to breathe, sinking into relaxation, finding comfort and ease here and now. Envision yourself walking down a beautiful forest path with twinkling lights on either side of you, like a majestic forest walkway. The smell of rain in the air, the moon lighting the way overhead, the hum of an owl in the distance. Breathing deep into this space, you feel a calm rain down over you. And as you continue to walk this beautiful path, a bright red energy moves through your system, grounding you into the here and now, breathing safety and stability into your heart as you feel anchored and sure, trusting and calm. Continuing to breathe as a vibrant orange now dances through your system, filling you with life-sustaining energy, nurturance, grace, as your sensuality heightens and your creative energy soars, breathing into this state of sustained surrender. As an electric yellow now ripples through you, activating your energy center, allowing you to stand a little taller, breathe a little deeper, as you own the possibility of all you can create. A drive for life is born within you with this vibrant yellow energy. A soft green now blankets over you, allowing you to feel an ease and safety like never before. Divine grace flowing through you as you move into the frequency of love, oneness, connection to all and everything, a profound state, a newfound frequency breathing deep into the vibration of love as you are able to give and receive freely. A bright blue energy now falls upon you, opening and activating your soul essence, your authentic truth, your center of integrity. As you breathe in this bright blue energy, connected, aligned, freely able to express yourself, you feel a deep and ethereal presence, your divine will active and flowing. The blue deepens into a beautiful indigo, activating and opening your third eye as all of the knowing of the universe becomes crystal clear to you. All senses active and open. Every puzzle piece of your life perfectly coming together. And with a final burst of color, a beautiful violet pours down through your crown, activating the remembrance of your divinity, tuned into the cosmos, grounded into the earth, fully aligned here now. As you find yourself back on the beautifully lit forest path, feeling a sense of peace like never before, and you notice a beautiful setting up ahead. Twinkling lights forming a circle around two beautiful, comfortable chairs, a fire in the middle, warming the ethers. As you walk towards this beautiful setting, you immediately feel a sense of wholeness and calm. You take a seat in one of the chairs, and as you sit, you set the intention to call upon your beloved, whether you know them or not, calling upon their highest self to join you here around this starlit fire so that your souls can commune, to speak love and truth into one another, and to forge an eternal connection. Breathing deep into this moment, you sense your beloved now sitting in the chair across from you. Their beautiful light body creating a glow. And as you gaze into their eyes for the next several moments, allow yourself to speak to them and listen to what they have to say. The time now is yours. feeling gratitude for this sacred time with your higher self and that of your beloved. Place one hand on their heart as they place one on yours, breathing in together rhythmically and out, knowing that this sacred connection and experience will follow into your waking reality, magnetizing your love closer, creating possibility for hope and renewal, a flame of intimate connection, long-lasting bonds, and a friendship like never before, knowing you are safe and held here now. Thank your beloved's higher self for their time here today, tucking this experience into your heart for safekeeping. As you breathe in this faith, this knowing, this connection. As your beloved departs and you find yourself back in front of the fire under the starlit sky, tune into yourself, finding grace, gratitude, and compassion for the ways that you've shown up and honored yourself, prepared yourself for this divine connection, knowing it's making its way to you closer and faster than ever before. Feeling the hope in your heart and the knowing in your soul as you turn to walk down the beautiful forest path back into your waking reality, feeling the connection alive within you now. Every breath you take, becoming more and more present to the here and now. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, wiggling your fingers and toes, allowing yourself to lie in this energy as long as necessary. Thank you for journeying with me today. Namaste.